Miss Brown, it looks like you have a spill. Let me grab some gloves so I could check to see if it's on your clothes.
Steps for cleaning chemotherapy spills. Call security to secure the area.
Hi. I'm actually going to double my gloves because just in case there is something. Okay, good. Let me close this off first. Awesome. Okay, so your clothes is good and clean. Let me just close this.
Move patient to a safe area. Get chemo spill kit and NIOSH approved mask. Don personal protective equipment in the following order. Apply first set of chemotherapy approved gloves. Place gown with the opening to the back. Make sure the cuff of the gown covers the first pair of gloves. Apply the mask and face shield. Apply shoe covers. Apply outer glove. Make sure the outer pair of gloves covers the cuff of the gown. Place the caution sign. Place yellow chemo waste bag from the kit on the floor next to you. Place absorbent product to contain the spill. The absorbent product may come in different forms, like powder or absorbent pads. Today, we are using fluid solidifier sprinkles. Allow to dry or congeal for 1 to 2 minutes. Use the scraper to lift the congealed substance off the surface and then scoop up with the scraper and scooper. Dispose in the yellow chemo waste bag. Wipe up any remaining residue with the wiper pads. Remember to wipe from the outside in. Clean the area with water. Doff PPE in the following order. Remove the outer glove and place in the chemotherapy waste bag. Remove the gown. Place in the chemo waste bag. Remove shoe covers. Place in the chemo waste bag. Tie up the yellow chemo waste bag with the provided twist tie. Fill out biohazard waste tag. Attach tag to the bag using the end of the twist tie. Place in the yellow chemo waste bin. Remove inner gloves. Perform hand hygiene with soap and water. Remove the face shield and place in the chemotherapy waste bin. Secure the waste bin closed. And then call environmental to deep clean the area.
Hi, this is Megan. I'm calling from LLO 349. We have a chemo spill. We did the initial cleaning, and I'd just like for environmental to come down to do the deep cleaning and remove the garbage from the room. Thank you so much.